Another very useful function in OnTime is multi-appointments, and I'll show you how to create those right now. So let's say you want to create an event for 3 different people, but you don't want to make it a meeting where you're inviting them. You just need to book the same type of appointment into each of the people's calendar. This is what we call multi-appointment in OnTime. It's just as simple as making events or meetings. You just have to mark the people you want to book by ticking the box on the left. For example, I've chosen Beverly, Edward, and Hans. Then all you have to do is drag the mouse like when you're creating a meeting or appointment. Now I've created a meeting in my calendar inviting these 3 people, so what I can do now is I can change the type of calendar entry from meeting to multi-appointment. When I've done that, I get the people that I wanted to book in the calendar for box. I can then go in and remove myself from the invitees list because I won't be attending myself. Now all I have to do is write the subject, click create, and now as you can see the meeting is in Beverly, Edward, and Hans's calendar.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.